Hi everyone! In this video, I will first introduce you to the basic phrases for introducing yourself. After that, I will show you how the phrases appear in Finnish spoken language. Spoken forms of Finnish can be very different from the written form, so it's a good idea to learn the spoken forms bit by bit alongside the written form. If you like this video, please remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It's very quick and is great help for me to reach more learners. You can also tip me using the super thanks button on the right hand corner to directly support me. Okay, we are ready to begin. Let's start with a basic greeting. You can say, "Hei, minä olen," with your name. For example, "Hei, minä olen Jori." Another phrase you can use is, "Hei, minun nimi on," with your name. For example, "Hei, minun nimi on Jori." Okay. Try saying the phrases now with your own name. Okay, good. Let's move on. To ask someone their name, you can either use the phrase "Mikä sinun nimi on?" meaning "What is your name?" or "Kuka sinä olet?" meaning "Who are you?" Another useful phrase would be "Hauska tutustua," which means "It's nice to get to know you." To that phrase, you can reply "Kiitos samoin," which means "Likewise." Speak all the phrases aloud now. Okay, we can then move on. So, a basic conversation using the phrases we've learned could look like this. "Hei, minä olen Jori. Kuka sinä olet?" "Hei, minä olen Teemu. Hauska tutustua." "Kiitos samoin." Now, speak the dialogue aloud. If you have a friend nearby, you can have this dialogue with them. Okay then, time to move forward. Native Finnish speakers will use a spoken form of Finnish that is somewhat different from the written form. For example, the conversation on the previous page would look like this in spoken form. "Hei, mä oon Jori. Kuka sä oot?" "Hei, mä oon Teemu. Hauska tutustua." "Kiitos samoin." Now, speak also this dialogue aloud by yourself or with a friend. And let's go forward. As with all languages, you will also find different dialects of Finnish used in different parts of Finland. For example, in the eastern part of Finland, you could hear the same dialogue had like this. "Hei, mie oon Jori. Kuka sie oot? Hei, mie oon Teemu. Hauska tutustua. Kiitos samoin. Now, speak also this dialogue aloud one more time. Okay, that's all. That concludes our lesson for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Did you learn something interesting or surprising? Please write your comments and questions below this video. See you next time. Heippa!